So midwife cares for childbearing individuals and their families pre-pregnancy, antenatal, through labour and birth, and during the postpartum period. We monitor their well-being, promoting healthy lifestyles throughout pregnancy and beyond. Midwives work in a variety of settings, from childbearing individuals' home, a health clinic, a GP surgery, an antenatal ward, a postnatal ward, a central delivery suite, or a freestanding birth centre. So during the 3 years of the midwifery degree, you'll be able to gain all the skills required to provide quality and safe care. Some of those skills would involve facilitating birth, supporting infant feeding, right the way through to managing an obstetric emergency. Here at USW, the course is split 50-50. 50% of your time will be spent out in practice in our partner health boards, being supported by clinical midwives, and 50% will be spent in theory. The theory is divided into various different sessions. Some will be face-to-face, on-campus lectures. You'll have some self-directed learning to do as an individual and working in groups. There'll be some online lectures and simulation where you will consolidate your skills in our delivery suite. So USW enables students upon registration to become competent, adaptable, confident, critical thinkers.